In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a click-to-call or mail-to link in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. First, open the website page you want to edit in HubSpot. Once you're on the page editor, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. For example, I'll highlight this text right here. After highlighting the text, click on the link icon in the toolbar. Now, you can choose the type of link you want to add. You can use a normal URL, but for this case, select Phone Link to create a click-to-call link, or choose Email Address to create a Mail-to link. If you choose Email Address, enter your email. If you choose Phone Link, enter your phone number. You can also choose a meeting link if you want to link to a HubSpot meeting. Next, confirm or edit the link text if needed, then click Insert. Your link will now be added to the text. You can preview it to make sure it works correctly. That's it for today's quick tutorial. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tips. See you in the next one.